Hello guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make money on Fortnite zleague. So to do this is pretty simple. You'll just have to download the zleague application right here and you'll have to sign in with your own Fortnite. So basically to earn here it's pretty simple. You don't earn directly from playing it, but you can earn it by referrals or as a prize from tournaments. So the tournaments come from time to time here, so it will not be all the time. So the best way to actually use this and to earn money is going to the referrals. So here you can refer a friend and you can earn each $3 for every friend you refer who creates an account. So here you can copy the link and you can just do quick share right here and send it to a person so that you can earn the zleague credits to be earned so that to be converted into cash, as you can see. So there you go guys, that is how you make money on Fortnite zleague. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.